नमस्ते, मैं अनुजा जैन स्टूडियो सुई धागा इंदौर से। तो टुडे फ्राइडे 2 p.m. and I am back with the Rakhi special edition for you people. So thank you everyone for your response, for your feedback and suggestions on the last video. So if you like our video, you like our product, please like, hit the like button, subscribe our channel so that you will not miss any of the video about any product, and do share with your family and friends. So before starting the video, let me tell you something about the product. These all are Ajrak cotton embroidered kurti. There are two pattern of the embroidery. One is pattern work and one is Goda Patti work, and they both have different pricing, and the fabric is 2.5 meter. Okay, and these all are cotton fabric, so comfortably you can wear it in this season also. And of course we are going to share the pictures of all the product at the end of the video, so that you don't have to share about the screenshot of the product which you like, as well as we'll give the code to every product, so only you have to share the code of the product. Okay, and the second thing, obviously you all must be waiting for the offer of the day on every Friday. So we will be showing you what is the offer of the day at the end of the video, as well as all the pictures with their description at the end of the video. So let's start this video on these beautiful kurtis fabric. So let's start with first madder red color and pattern work kurtis. So you can see this is a cotton fabric and the pattern work on the neckline. A proper work is done on the neckline, and these kind of booties on the all over of the kurti, as well as on the sleeves as well. You can see a line is given on the for the sleeves also. So this is how each and every piece is different. You can see the one piece I have shown on the dummy. It has a beautiful mirror and the pattern work, and all over there is a small dots of beads is there, as well as work on the sleeves. So you can see one piece I have opened for you. Now I'll show you all the different pieces that we have. So this is the second piece. You can see the booties, the work is different in every piece. You just have a look on the product. Now again you see the different booty, and the work pattern is also different. It has a square panel of the work with the cut neckline, and the necklines are also different. So we have these two pieces on the same booty. Now this is the third booty. You can see the beauty of the booty is very different. The pattern and the piece. The detailing of each and every product is so beautifully done. You can see this, it's a pattern work. This is the second piece, and now the print is different. It's a beautiful carry work booty with the neckline. Again the pattern of the neckline is changed, as I have told you. Each and every print is different and the work pattern is different. This is the second piece is same. Now the booty is same, but the work is different. So while choosing, be careful with it, which piece you want. These are very smart, beautiful pieces. Now again this is the second same piece. Now again the booty is different and the work is same. So This is what we call the variation in each and every piece. Same piece. Now this booty is totally different, and the work is little bit silverish in color. So these were the collection on madder red. Now I'll show you on the black color. You can do mix and match with these pieces. It's a lovely print with the pattern work. Now the second booty, it's a carry with different gota and pattern combination. This is gota and this work is called pattern work. Both pieces are same. Now the booty is changed, you can see. Now again the same piece. Now the booty is changed. You can see the booty is changed and the work is little bit silverish. Now the butta is also changed as well as the work done on it. Now the same butta and the same work. Now the work is same but the booty is changed. The same piece. Now this is the change one. The booty and the work is different. Neckline is also different. So you can choose with different booties, different work, and you can do the mix and matching of these. You can use cotton dupattas plain, you can team up with the pants, with the denims. These are very smart and the pricing for both the patterns is different. So it's a carry and the work is different. So guys, this was the collection on the pattern and the gota work, and the pricing for these is 1650 each piece. Okay, now I will show you the kurtis on gota patti and pattern mix. So guys, now I will show you the collection on the gota patti and the pattern mix work. And before starting, I'll just show you the 1-2 pieces which we have opened to display here. So you can see the beauty of this gota patti work. The gota patti work is done with little bit mixing of the pattern work over here, and all over there is a small mirror works all over the kurti and on the sleeves as well. So this is one combination on the black. Now the second one is the madder red. So these are the two combinations that we have. Now I will show you all the different color combinations on the same colors what we have. So let me show you first on the black color. So this is a booty, a different booty. A neck is highlighted with the work. Then you can see the detailing of the embroidery is done. A gota patti work and a pattern, the combination of these. this is the first piece. Now it's a different print, and the color combination is also little bit different. Now these two are the same piece. So this is the first pattern. Now there is a different pattern on the same gota patti. You can see the pattern is totally different. The neckline is different, and the buttas are done on the all over kurtis. And this is the second piece, which is also same, but now this same work we have on different booty also. So this is the change booty, and the work is same. You can see. Now the second, we have ordered this time to 2 pieces so that you will not miss your piece, but still we have very limited piece, and the booty is different and the work is combination is different. And the last piece we have in the black is booty is again of different print. You can see. We'll show the pictures of each and every product at the end of the video, so you don't have to click the screenshot. Just share the code of the product to check the availability. So these were the few pieces we have on the black combination. Now I will show you on the madder red combination. We have very limited pieces, let me tell you, so please book them fast. If you want to grab what is the offer of the day, I will tell you, just wait and don't miss it. Okay, so now let me show you the madder red combinations with gota patti work. You can see. It's a black combination on the madder red with gota patti. Now again, the pattern is same, but the booty is different and the color combination is different. So you can choose what you like, which color you don't want in your kurti. You can team up with the plain pants also. You can team up with the ajrak pants also. It's look very nice because the mix and matching of the prints are going on. So if it is a booty print, you can take another booty with your pants, or the stripes for the pant. Even you can team up with the denims also. Girls, you can team up with the denims. And obviously the black plain will always go with all the ones. So if you don't want to go with so much of combination, so you can carry them with the black also. And of course they are designed, so neckline अगर आप उसको simple रखेंगे, so it will look very nice. Don't play around too much with the necklines, नहीं तो उसका look खराब हो जाता है. That is just my personal suggestion. So this is the another piece. The booty is changed, but the work is same. So you can choose your booty, what you like, which one you like. The same booty, but the color combination is changed. Now the booty is changed and the work pattern is also different. Now you can see this one. Now the same booty, we have one more piece. And the pricing for these kurtis are different from the gota pattern work kurtis. And this is the last piece we have. For the and I'll just tell you the pricing for these Gota patti work is 1750 each piece. And let me tell you what are the washing instructions that you have to take care. You don't have to go every time for the dry cleaning. Once you can get them for the dry cleaning, then you can do easy hand wash at the home and just dry them in the shady area. Don't expose them in the direct sunlight, because the colors are the natural colors. We don't use screen prints. So this is the way you can take care of your fabric of all the hand blocks. And I know you must be waiting for the offer of the day. So guys, this is the offer of the day. Don't miss it, grab it. We have very few limited pieces on all these things, as these all are very different pieces and I know you don't want to miss them. So please, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our YouTube channel so that you won't miss any product details, and of course do share with your family and friends. You can follow us on Instagram as well. You can follow us on Facebook. You can WhatsApp us at 9039717636. Now I will show you all the pictures of these product. Only you have to share with us the product of the code. You don't have to share the screenshot, so that easily you can get your product. Hope you like this video, and now you will enjoy all the pictures I'm going to show you. See you next Friday 2 p.m. with Anuja Jain Studio Sri Dhaga, Indore. Thank you.